Now this video is for all of the logging truck drivers in New Zealand, and I'm sure many of you have wondered why you couldn't have channels of your own. Now you know, you guys are very hard working, and when you're in your trucks it's a little bit like being in solitary confinement for 8 hours or 10 hours a day when you're on the road. So having some radio channels to enable you to chat to one another is actually pretty important. Way back in 2016, the Log Transport Safety Council actually put together a license for some channels for you guys. Probably the most important of those channels is Highway 171, and the idea of Highway 171 was to enable you to have a road safety channel that you could use on the public highways in New Zealand. Obviously, of course, when you're in the bush, you're going to have a designated forestry channel, which is appropriate to that particular forest. But when you're on the public highways in New Zealand, you actually don't have a designated channel. Well, actually, now you do. It's called Highway 171. Now, the Log Safety Transport Council also kindly provided a whole bunch of other channels. Those channels are Chat 172, Chat 173, all the way up to Chat 178. Now they're freely available for you guys to actually talk to one another on, so that you can remain in contact with your friends on the road. Now the one thing that's, I guess, a little bit perturbing is that these channels aren't particularly well known. If you need to know more details about those channels and the license, now the Radio Spectrum Management license number, license ID number, is 186760. But if you need to know more information about the channels themselves, you can contact Mr. Bruce Nahn. Now he's the Secretary of the Log Transport Safety Council. Now he can be phoned on 027 494 3695, or you can send him an email. His email address is, and it's all lowercase of course because it's email, ltsc@logtruck.co.nz. Now at the tail end of this video I'm also going to put some JPEG pictures up that if you really need to, you can actually screenshot and download from the video, or indeed you can just pause the video and you should be able to read the details of these particular channels directly from the screen. Okay, and that's probably all I've got for you. If you're a dealer, I would encourage you, if you've got logging truck companies that you're supplying radios to, I would put these channels into the radios pretty much arbitrarily, because I'm sure they'll be used. If you're a log truck driver and you're looking at this video, I encourage you to find out about these channels from your transport company. And of course, if you're a transport company and you're not part of the Log Safety Transport Council, I encourage you to join the Log Transport Safety Council. Anyway, there's more information at the tail end of this video. Other than that, guys, be safe out there, and I'll spot you later.